Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I have something a little bit different from the normal. And of course it's still tech, so of course it's a tech channel. But of course today I have a security light. And of course this light is this beautiful one you see here called the, as you can see on the side of the box, the Hyperikon. Right, and it's a three-headed security light, meaning there are three heads on the security light. It also comes with a dusk till dawn sensor, and this is used for house security. It can be used indoor and outdoor, although it's more suited for outdoor use. You'll also find that it does provide very bright light, and of course if there's motion in the dark or light, it can react to light or motion. But of course guys, why I got this is for security purposes around the house. So you can actually check this out as a security device. Now it uses 30 watts, and of course you will see here the design. You can get it in one, and I think two up to three heads. So this is the three-headed version. And of course with the 2700 lumens that it produces, it's estimated to use roughly $3.61 per year in energy. And I like this product. As you can see, they do give you a breakdown around the box. Around here it does give you some information. It's more almost too cold, so it's just barely warm. So it's not too warm, it's just almost producing no heat at all. And this is the model. It is the model, the HyperSecurity 3HB-501. And as you can see too guys, it says facts about the bulb, basically the lumens, the amount of costs, and this is estimating that it will be used 3 hours per day. It only comes on when is needed or when motion is detected, and it's supposed to last roughly, if all goes well, if it's only used 3 hours per day, 22.8 years. And that's also a basic calculation. Doesn't mean it will last that long, but of course if all goes well and the components last, it should give you roughly around that time or so on. Now light appearance, it shows you the warm versus cool, and where the 500K will get you there, and it only uses 30 watts of energy. Now guys, it also shows off some of the features such as the 5-year warranty, USA corporation's been patented product, and you can get 24-hour product support. And you can see some of the features here. The UV, it's safe because it's made from UV free and mercury free, contains no lead or IR, color rendering 80 plus. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Dusk till dawn infrared sensor is included. And of course guys, as I said, on the side here it shows you the brightness, it shows you the efficiency, infrared sensor, the lifespan in hours, which is 45,000 hours according to tests, 5-year warranty, UV mercury free, 150-degree sensor. So that's the coverage area, which is great. And of course there is the voltage, and again guys, there's the IP rating. In terms of water resistance, it's IP65. Now of course guys, as I said, I got this one because it had very good reviews. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and open up the box. Forgive me guys, again I'm just trying to manage everything right here by getting some good camera angles on the product. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up, and here is what's inside of the box. And right away you do get this. It says your personal LED expert, and it gives you a number to call to learn more about the product. It says thank you for the purchase. It repeats basically stuff on the box, and I think this is what we call the installation instruction guide. There is and you can actually do the install yourself. You can see right here guys, this would be the cutout to actually help with installing. And right over here guys, you'll also notice inside the box everything that you need. So I'm just gonna unbox these and place them on the table and come right back. Alright guys, so we have gotten everything out of the box, but as you can see here, you do get these bunch of screws. I just remove them just for you to see, and these would be used with the instruction manual. They come packaged quite nicely inside of this bag right here, so you can actually work along with the instruction manual to do the full installation. But of course guys, if you look at the back of the device right here, you'll also notice that there is all these connection points and so on, so you can actually connect this to the house or to your power main, so you can actually power the camera. So you can actually power the camera, sorry, not camera, I don't know why I'm saying camera guys. So you can actually power these LED lights. So as you can see guys, I'm just going to turn this around, and of course if you see underneath here to the base, we actually have the sensor that's just beneath here, and you can see the sensor right there. So I don't want to actually cause any damage, so I'm just going to carefully maneuver while showing you this on video guys. But you can see now this is the shielding, there is the LED lights themselves, and the housing, you can get it in white and black. I actually opted for the black version with the 3 heads, and I like so far everything. I like the placement of the sensor, and I like the lights themselves. So guys, this has just been an unboxing. If I can, I'll get you some pictures or video of the entire thing set up. But as I said guys, it will react to light, it will react to motion, and it can be great for a long driveway or an area that's too dark like the backyard that you need to actually be lit up at night. And as I said guys, it's energy saving, it's for your security purposes, and as you know, we've been doing a lot of security tech as of lately, and that's because we try to do all aspects of tech, not only computers and smartphone, but also safety, our home setup of security systems, so you can have basically do a DIY or do it yourself stuff. And this is one of the products you might want to invest in as part of your home, that include other stuff too, such as your house alarm, and of course lights, cameras, and sensors. Alright guys, so I won't babble on anymore. So this has been Ricardo Gardner, and do stay tuned to the end of the video to probably see a video or pictures of the lights working. This is Ricardo saying bye until next time guys. Bye.